9 o'clock on a Saturday. Regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. He says, son, can you play me a melody? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and it's sweet, and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes. Oh, la da da di di da, da da di di da, da. Now John at the bar is a friend of mine. He gets me my drinks for free, and he's quick with a joke or to light up his smoke, but there's some place that he'd rather be. He says, Greg, I believe this is killing me, as a smile ran away from his face. Well, I'm sure that I could be a movie star if I could get out of this place. And we all sing la da da di di da, la da di di da, da da. Nice and loud, scare the neighbors. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody. You've got us feeling alright. All right, so let's try, we do this at the piano bar a lot. It's kind of like Mad Libs. I will leave a word blank, and you shout it out. If you don't want to shout it out, you can type it in the chat. I saw somebody had an infant there, so maybe if you just put the infant down, I get it. But let's see how well you know this song. Now Paul is a real estate who never had time for and he's talking with who shops at Old, probably will be there for life. Not bad, not bad. Let's try the second one. Now the waitress is practicing
politics
while the businessmen slowly get there. That was really quiet there. Is HR on this call? Like, what's going on, friends? It's stoned. They're sharing a drink they call, 'cause it's better than drinking alone. And we all sing la da da di di da, la da di di da, da da. Here we go, nice and loud. And when you sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody. You've got us feeling alright.